Brahmacharya means celibacy. Not to use the seminar unnecessarily, discharge. That is called brahmacharya. Therefore, the students are advised, or they are trained now. The students are sent to Gurukul to be trained now as brahmacharya. Just like we have opened our Gurukul ashram in Dallas. We are teaching from the very beginning of life, small children, how to become brahmacharya. That is required. Recently I have received that picture. How nicely they are looking, the children. Children, they are innocent. If you want to kill, you can kill. If you want to train him, just like a perfect man, you can train him. It is the duty of the father, it is the duty of the mother, it is the duty of the government, state, to raise the children very nicely. How horrible civilization it is. That instead of raising them to perfect their human life, they are being killed in the womb. How much horrible civilization this is, just imagine. It is simply horrible to think that the duty of the parents is to raise the child to the highest perfection of life. Instead of doing that, they are being killed in the womb. This is the situation. And this should be stopped. If you actually want happiness, things have come to such horrible condition that birth has become also very much risky. One child, one living entity takes birth in the womb of a human being, and that child is being killed by the conspiracy of the mother and the daughter. This is going on. Without any hesitation, the mother is agreeing to kill the child, and the doctor is killing the small child because it has taken birth in that home. He is subjected to so many tribulations after all, again death. You see, birth and death. The human civilization is coming to such horrible condition that mother is killing the child. Naturally, if the tigress has got motherly affection, the cubs, the small tiger cubs, playing on the back of the mother, and the mother is patting, this natural tendency for raising or for petting child, there is, even in tigress. But when civilization is coming to that stage that it is lesser than the tigress, lesser than the tigress. But whatever it may be, the real thing is that our disease is Janma Mrityu Jara Death. We have to stop this disease. Simply repetition of birth and death and disease. If we tolerate, you can tolerate, but suppose if I become that child who is being killed by the conspiration of the mother and the doctor, so would I like? This is tribulation, it is going on by nature's law. That child which has taken birth in that home is not allowed to come out of the mother's home And he is being killed within the womb. And again he enters another womb. And there also he may be killed again. This is the law of nature going on. But they do not know, they do not care. They think that this child is being killed, I am saying. But you may be also put into, because death is there. Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi. As soon as death is there, you have to accept another body. So people are in so ignorance, the so-called material civilization, simply in darkness. Very horrible civilization at the present moment in things. Simply darkness. They do not know the laws of nature, they do not know what is living entity, what is soul, what is God, how things are going on, how nature's law is working, nothing. Simply like animal. Eat, drink, be merry and enjoy, that's all. This is very horrible civilization at the present moment. And this Krishna consciousness movement is the only movement to enlighten them, to come to your senses. Don't be carried away by the laws of material nature.